You've seen them 100 times, but can you name them when it counts? In this session, we're highlighting 40 of the UK's most common road signs, the ones every confident driver should recognize without hesitation. Whether you're prepping for a test or brushing up your knowledge, this is your chance to lock in the essentials. Count your correct answers and post your score in the comments. Question 1. What does this warning sign indicate about an upcoming intersection? A. Crossroads ahead sign. B. Pelican crossing. C. Traffic light warning sign. The answer is A. Crossroads ahead sign. Question 2. What does this directional sign point toward? A. Emergency services sign. B. Direction to petrol station. C. Direction to a public telephone. The answer is C. Direction to a public telephone. Question 3. What does this cycling sign indicate? A. Direction and distance to a free parking place for pedal cycles. B. Bicycle maintenance area. C. Distance to paid bicycle parking. The answer is A. Direction and distance to a free parking place for pedal cycles. Question 4. What does this environmental road sign indicate? A. Start of quiet area in Wales. B. End of designated quiet lane in England. C. Begin noise control zone. The answer is B. End of designated quiet lane in England. Question 5. What kind of diversion marker is shown here? A. Diversion route sign circular. B. Local detour triangular sign. C. Main road ends circle sign. The answer is A. Diversion route sign circular. Question 6. What is located ahead according to this roadside distance sign? A. Distance to fuel station and parking area. B. Distance ahead to emergency telephone in a parking place. C. Warning. Rest stop in 300 yards. The answer is B. Distance ahead to emergency telephone in a parking place. Question 7. What traffic lane condition is indicated here? A. Center lane of a 3-lane single carriageway road, closed. B. Middle lane of motorway restricted. C. Right lane temporarily blocked. The answer is A. Center lane of a 3-lane single carriageway road, closed. Question 8. What type of cycling facility does this sign show? A. No cycling permitted. B. Cycle route ends. C. Cycle lane sign. The answer is C. Cycle lane sign. Question 9. What change in speed limit does this sign announce? A. End of 20 miles per hour zone and start of 30 miles. B. Start of speed restriction. C. End of all speed limits. The answer is A. End of 20 miles per hour zone and start of 30 miles. Question 10. What route is this sign directing drivers toward? A. Direction to a motorway at the junction shown. B. National speed limit ahead. C. Sign for exit to A road. The answer is A. Direction to a motorway at the junction shown. Question 11. What does this parking-related sign mean? A. Park area for buses only. B. Direction to park and ride. Car park sign 3. C. Bus interchange parking area. The answer is B. Direction to park and ride car park sign 3. Question 12. What type of parking zone is being shown? A. Free parking sign. B. No disc zone area. C. Disc and meter parking zone sign. The answer is C. Disc and meter parking zone sign. Question 13. What transport facility is this sign indicating? A. Dock sign. B. Shipping area entry. C. Marina access only. The answer is A. Docks sign. Question 14. What speed-related message is communicated here? A. Commencement point of a newly imposed 30 miles per hour. B. Start of new 20 mile per hour limit. C. Area with no speed limit change. The answer is C. Commencement point of a newly imposed 30 miles per hour. Question 15. What kind of traffic flow is shown for cyclists? A. Cycle lane sign traffic from both ways. B. Single direction cycling only. C. Shared lane for cycles and cars. The answer is A. Cycle lane sign traffic from both ways. Question 16. What service does this sign provide direction for? A. Cycle hire sign. B. Cycle lane begins here. C. Bicycle rental point. The answer is A. Cycle hire sign. Question 17. What is this countdown marker leading to? A. Countdown marker to roundabout. B. Countdown marker to railway or tramway level crossing. C. Distance marker to pedestrian crossing. The answer is B. Countdown marker to railway or tramway level crossing. Question 18. What type of cycling facility is shown? A. Motorcycle parking only. B. Bicycle repair station. C. Cycle parking sign. The answer is C. Cycle parking sign. Question 19. What restriction is indicated in this area? A. Controlled zone sign. B. Parking zone. C. Priority traffic zone. The answer is A. Controlled zone sign. Question 20. What type of vehicle parking is allowed here? A. Long vehicle parking only. B. Coach drop-off zone. C. Bus tourists parking sign. The answer is C. Bus Tourists Parking Sign. Question 21. What parking rule is ending? A. End of partial parking only. B. Area where parking becomes limited. C. End of area where vehicles may be parked wholly. The answer is A. End of area where vehicles may be parked wholly. Question 22. What does this cycling sign signify? A. Cycle route begins here. B. End of bus and cycle lane. C. End of cycle route sign. The answer is C. End of cycle route sign. Question 23. What type of hazard does this sign warn of? A. Warning of slow-moving vehicles. B. Danger sign. C. Roadworks warning. The answer is B. Danger sign. Question 24. What facility is located ahead? A. Distance and direction to parking place ahead. B. Public car park sign. C. Cycle parking lot direction. The answer is A. Distance and direction to parking place ahead. Question 25. What amenities are referenced by this sign? A. Toilets only ahead. B. Phones and petrol ahead. C. Distance to public toilets and telephones. The answer is C. Distance to public toilets and telephones. Question 26. What type of vehicle flow is allowed in this lane? A. Bus-only lane with no traffic. B. Bus lane with traffic proceeding. C. Bus and cycle lane only. The answer is B. Bus lane with traffic proceeding. Question 27. What kind of emergency communication is shown here? A. Public telephone only. B. Fire station nearby. C. Direction to emergency telephone or telephone. The answer is C. Direction to emergency telephone or telephone. Question 28. What detour marker is displayed? A. Warning triangle for roadwork. B. Diversion route sign square. C. Route end square sign. The answer is B. Diversion route sign square. Question 29. What safety instruction does this sign give drivers? A. Drivers should keep a distance of 2 chevrons. B. Chevron zone ends. C. Single file traffic ahead. The answer is A. Drivers should keep a distance of 2 chevrons. Question 30. What kind of public recreational area does this sign mark? A. National park sign. B. Rural area warning. C. Country park sign. The answer is C. Country park sign. Question 31. What type of parking is specified here? A. Coach parking sign. B. Bus parking sign. C. Taxi parking area. The answer is B. Bus parking sign. Question 32. What detour symbol is indicated here? A. Motorway exit route sign. B. Circular road ahead sign. C. Diversion route sign, triangular. The answer is C. Diversion route sign, triangular. Question 33. What emergency facility is shown by this sign? A. No entry for vehicles. B. Exit for maintenance only. C. Emergency exit sign. The answer is C. Emergency exit sign. Question 34. What does this sign inform cyclists of? A. Cycle lane ends here. B. Cycle route ahead sign. C. Cycle path diverges. The answer is B. Cycle route ahead sign. Question 35. What emergency communication is this sign pointing toward? A. Direction to the nearest emergency telephone. B. Road maintenance contact point. C. Emergency lay-by indicator. The answer is A. Direction to the nearest emergency telephone. Question 36. What type of zone is being marked for drivers? A. Disc parking zone sign. B. Bus zone sign. C. Loading area only. The answer is A. Disc parking zone sign. Question 37. What kind of traffic restriction is this? A. Toll area sign. B. Controlled access zone. C. Congestion charge zone sign. The answer is C. Congestion charge zone sign. Question 38. What type of stop is indicated here? A. Bus stop sign. B. Taxi stand ahead. C. Parking for bicycles only. The answer is A. Bus stop sign. Question 39. What type of partial parking ends at this point? A. Start of full parking restriction. B. End of area where vehicles may be parked partially. C. Vehicles may now park wholly. The answer is B. End of area where vehicles may be parked partially. Question 40. What type of road layout change is shown by this sign? A. Start of dual carriageway. B. Merge into 3 lanes ahead. C. End of dual carriageway sign. The answer is C. End of dual carriageway sign. Great job working through all 40 signs. Familiar signs are easy to ignore, but mastering them builds fast, reliable decision-making on the road. Keep practicing, and that quick recognition will become second nature. If this helped, give the video a like. Subscribe and turn on the bell so you're ready for the next round. Stay sharp, and we'll see you soon.